Hello all, welcome to session 81. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate location command in Selenium Python. So let's get started. What exactly is this command? Using this command in Selenium Python, we can retrieve the x and y coordinates of the specified or given UI element. Now let me practically demonstrate this location command for you. First of all, I'll open this PyCharm IDE where we have this Python file having some sample automation code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, and for opening this application URL in the browser, something like this. Okay, the application URL will be opened in the browser, something like this. Now, I want to get the X and Y coordinates of the search box field. So how to get the X and Y coordinates of the search box field? Let me show you guys by drawing. Okay. So if you start from here to here, this is known as X. Okay. Starting from here to here is X. What about the other one? Y. Y is from top to here, guys. Okay. This is Y. So this is X and this is Y. So how to get this X and Y location coordinates of the search box field using the which command, guys? Using the location command we have to do. Here is the location command. Now let me write the code here for retrieving the x and y coordinates of the specified UI element. So in order to retrieve the x and y coordinates of the search box field, I have to inspect and create a locator for locating the search box field. Okay, when I inspect the search box field, the HTML code for the search box field got highlighted here in the elements tab of DevTools. So here it has a name locator, guys. Name attribute is there. I'll copy the name attribute value to create the name locator, copy it and go to the script and write here driver dot find element by name. Okay, provide the name attribute value, that is name locator. So using which command we have to retrieve the x and y coordinates? Location. Okay, location command, right? So this will retrieve the x and y coordinates of the search box field, as I mentioned in the drawing. So whatever the x and y coordinates which got retrieved using this location command, I would like to save into a variable, guys. Okay, search location. Okay, I'll simply say the variable name is search location and I'll print the search location. When I print this search location, it will print the x and y coordinate positions of the search box field on the web page. So I'll simply close the browser after retrieving and printing the search location in the output. So let me run this code. You see, it was very fast, and this location command was able to retrieve the x and y coordinates of the search box field specified here and print those coordinates. That is, x coordinate is 494. Okay, so from here to here is 494. Okay, from top to bottom is from here to here is 64. Okay, 494 and 64 are the x and y coordinates of the search box field. So hope guys you understood how to use the location command in Selenium Python. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.